Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with friends. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before you actually add and invite your friends to a room inside of Real Racing 3, you have to head into the settings. Click the settings icon once again, and either link your Facebook or Google Play account. I recommend linking Facebook, as this makes it easier. In your profile, the only required access is your name and profile picture. After your Facebook or Google Play account is linked, you will be able to connect and play with your friends. All you have to do now is head into the online option over here at the left-sided menu, and you will be able to click Invite up to 7 friends. As you can see, it tells me that no friends were found. This is because I don't have anyone added on my Facebook profile. But all of your friends should appear here, and you can select all of them and send the invites. Afterwards, when both of you are connected, or up to 7 friends are connected, you can tap Race Now and start racing. You will have a friends leaderboard over here listing all of your races, and you can just queue for multiplayer together through this window. So that's basically how you can play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with friends. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.